Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Compound Bow is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding gifts you can give your child, opening up a world of fun, skill building, and outdoor adventure. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a compound bow perfectly sized and weighted for young archers, ensuring both safety and enjoyment. Number 5. Bear Archery Brave Youth Bow. Get ready for hours of fun and excitement with the Bear Archery Brave Bow. This complete set is perfect for young archers, providing everything they need to start their archery journey. It comes ready to shoot right out of the box. It includes 2 safety glass arrows, so you can start practicing your aim immediately. This isn't just a bow, it's a complete set. You'll receive a whisker biscuit rest, a sight, finger rollers, and an arrow quiver, everything you need. The whisker biscuit rest is known for its safety and is a fantastic addition to this set. It's a great value, too. Designed for ages 8 to 12, it features a continuous draw weight up to 25 pounds and a draw length up to 19.5 inches. This ensures a comfortable and safe shooting experience. The Bear Archery Brave Bow is more than just a toy, it's a tool to develop skills and create lasting memories. Order yours today. What we like. It comes ready to shoot, packed with safety accessories like a whisker biscuit rest, a must-have for beginners. If you're looking for a safe and complete set for your child, this is the one to get. Its trusted rest ensures safety and peace of mind while your child learns to shoot. What people say. Draw is perfect, and the quality is amazing. He loves it and the draw weight is not too much for an 8-year-old. Super sturdy and well made. The directions don't say much about the day-to-day use of the bow. It talks about maintenance but nothing about not dry firing a compound bow, proper etiquette when retrieving arrows from the target, etc. etc. I was able to adjust them to shot pretty accurate. Quick safety brief and my kids were able to get arrows on target. Number 4. Genesis Original Kit. It's the perfect archery set for both beginners and experienced archers. Its adjustable design makes it suitable for various skill levels and ages. This bow is designed to fit a wide range of users. The draw length adjusts from 15 to 30 inches, ensuring a comfortable and accurate shot. It's easy to customize it to your strength. You can adjust the draw weight from 10 to 20 pounds, making it ideal for all ages and strengths. Everything you need is included. The kit comes with a bow, quiver, arm guard, and 5 premium aluminum arrows. It's designed for simplicity and accuracy. The single-cam design means less recoil, greater accuracy, and a quieter shot. It's built to last. It features a machined aluminum riser and cam, composite limbs, and high-strength bowstrings. It's pre-assembled and ready to use right out of the box. Start your archery journey today. What we like. It boasts a truly universal draw length and adjustable weight, making it perfect for archers of all sizes and skill levels. If you need a bow that grows with your child or accommodates multiple users, this is the ideal choice. Its adaptability ensures a comfortable and safe shooting experience for everyone. What people say. Perfect bow, size and weight for middle schooler. Easy to use and adjust, basic bow. Nice arrows included. This is the second one I have bought for grandkids. Good bow for starting out and is the official bow of the Archery in Schools program. Number 3. Genesis Original Kit. It's the perfect archery set for left-handed users of all ages and skill levels. This kit is designed for ease of use and ultimate versatility. It features an adjustable draw length ranging from 15 to 30 inches, accommodating various body sizes. This makes it suitable for everyone, from beginners to experienced archers. You can adjust the draw weight from 10 to 20 pounds, ensuring a comfortable and safe shooting experience for all ages and strengths. It grows with you as your skills improve. Everything you need is included: a compound bow, quiver, arm guard, and 5 premium aluminum arrows. It's ready to use right out of the box. Its single-cam design means no tuning is required, resulting in less recoil, greater accuracy, and a quieter shot. Enjoy the simplicity and precision of this bow. It's built with high-quality materials, including a machined aluminum riser and cam, durable composite limbs, and strong bowstrings. It's designed to last. What we like. This is the same great bow as number 2, but for left-handed users. If you're a lefty looking for a versatile and adjustable bow, this is the perfect option. Its adaptability ensures a comfortable and safe shooting experience for all left-handed archers. What people say. Perfect bow, size and weight for middle schooler. Easy to use and adjust, basic bow. Nice arrows included. This is the second one I have bought for grandkids. Good bow for starting out and is the official bow of the Archery in Schools program. Number 2. Genesis Original Bow. It's designed for both left and right-handed archers. Its draw length and weight are easily adjustable, making it perfect for various skill levels. This bow is suitable for almost everyone. The adjustable draw length ranges from 15 to 30 inches, accommodating different arm lengths and body sizes. Whether you're a seasoned archer or just starting, it's adaptable to your needs. It's easy to adjust the draw weight from 10 to 20 pounds. With its single cam design, it's incredibly easy to use. You'll experience less recoil, greater accuracy, and quieter shots. It comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. It features a durable aluminum riser and high-strength bowstring. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, allowing you to focus on your aim and enjoy the sport. What we like. This lightweight bow offers the same adjustability as the others, but with a focus on a lighter design. If you value a lightweight yet durable bow for comfortable shooting, this is the one. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue, allowing for longer and more enjoyable shooting sessions. What people say. The school has around 40 bows so that students do not have to buy their own bow, though many do, especially archers in their second season and beyond. The other coaches and I can adjust the draw weight to suit everyone from small 5th graders to big seniors in high school in minutes using just an Allen wrench. At the distances that we shoot, 10 and 15 yards, they have enough power to be very accurate. What this bow is a perfect bow for school competition and a perfect beginner target bow for kids. These things are extremely sturdy, are consistent, and can grow with young archers as they get stronger and need a longer draw length and weight. It's truly a one-bow-fits-all. My daughter, son, and I can all use it. What makes this bow so awesome as a family bow is not only is the draw weight adjustable. The draw length is however far you pull back. Doesn't matter if you're small with short arms or tall with long arms, it just fits. It comes ready to shoot with a built-in arrow rest and a nock already installed. It also comes with an Allen wrench to adjust the draw weight. Number 1. Youth Compound Bow. It's the perfect bow for young archers and beginners. Its adjustable design makes it easy to grow with your skills. At only 2.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. The adjustable draw weight and length ensure a comfortable and safe shooting experience. This bow features an adjustable draw weight from 15 to 29 pounds and draw length from 19 to 28 inches. No bow press is needed for adjustments. Always read the instruction manual before use. Never dry fire it, this could damage the bow and cause injury. It comes complete with everything you need: arrows, arm guard, quiver, sight, and more. You'll be ready to hit the target in no time. It boasts an impressive 260 frames per second speed and is made from durable engineering plastic. It's built to last and provide years of enjoyment. Choose from a variety of colors to match your style. It's available in red, green, blue, black, and pink. What we like. This bow is adjustable, boasts impressive speed, and is lightweight. If you are looking for a high-performance bow for youth or beginners that is easy to handle, this is a great option. Its combination of adjustability, speed, and lightweight makes it ideal for those looking to improve their archery skills. What people say. It's well worth the price to get a kid out of the house and off of electronics for some outdoor experience. The draw is smooth and the included release appears to work great. It came with everything you need. It's got very good sights on it, it's got the extra arrows, it comes with the target, it comes with everything. It is so nice, and it's a compound bow, like it's a real compound bow, and you can add extra weight to it as they get older, so yeah, it's nice, we like it. So for the money you can't beat it. You get a fully adjustable bow, great for someone just getting started, plus a sight, arrow rest, quiver, and 12 arrows. The arrows by themselves would be about $30, so great package for the price. It is quite consistent. I need to work on my own accuracy, but I was seeing improvement with each shot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.